Hello, my dear student. In previous video, we have discussed the optical resonator or resonator cavity is also known as a resonator cavity, and we have discussed the quality factor Q. In this video, we have discussed the Q switching. We have discussed the Q switching. The quality factor in previous video we have discussed that quality factor Q. The quality factor of laser cavity is determined. In previous video we have calculated that quality factor. Then the quality factor Q of laser cavity is determined the loss that losses suffer by the modes of the cavity. The loss suffered by the modes of the cavity. Okay, we have discussed in that previous video. Then the smaller the loss, higher is the value of Q. Then loss is a smaller, then higher the value of quality factor Q. We remember that smaller the loss, higher the value of quality factor Q. Then we will start the Q switching. Then to draw the simple diagram, that is the mirror M1, this mirror M2, this S stand for the shutter, this will be the shutter in between the two mirror, and this is the active medium. This is the active medium. Okay. This is the cavity. This is the resonant cavity. Okay. This is the. Let's see the diagram. Consider a laser cavity. This is the laser cavity, and in that laser cavity it will be the active medium, and which is shutter. That shutter is inserted in front of the one mirror. That shutter is inserted in front of that mirror. This is the active medium, or this is, and in that active this is the resonant cavity, and in that resonant cavity this is the active medium. This active medium, in active medium, this pumping, that is the pumping is continuously. Pumping is continuously. That means this active medium are continuously pump, and that in the shutter is inserted. That shutter is inserted in front of that mirror. Then, okay, this active medium. The active medium मध्ये काय होतं की population. That population is. That means in active medium, that the atoms are continuously pumped. The atom are continuously pumped. That means that pumping process, that is the pumping process will be continuously. That means pumping काय होतं आहे की continuously pumping होतं आहे. काय होतं continuously pumping होतं आहे. And atoms कुठून जाता energy level E0 पासून. That means ground level पासून कुठं जाता excited level ला. ओके, ऍक्टिव्ह मीडियम मध्ये काय होतं की कंटिन्युअसली पंप होता. मग आता सपोज द शटर जर क्लोज असेल, आता ऍक्टिव्ह मीडियम मध्ये काय होतं की आयटम्स काय होतं कंटिन्युअसली पंप होत आहे. ओके, मग वेन द शटर इज क्लोज, मग हे शटर जर क्लोज केलं तर काय होणार आहे, वेन द शटर इज क्लोज दिस लेझर ऍक्शन, दिस ऍक्टिव्ह दॅट इज द कंटिन्युअसली पंपिंग, अँड दॅट लेझर ऍक्शन सडनली इंटरप्ट मीन्स स्टॉप होते. काय होते इंटरप्ट म्हणजे काय होणार, डिस्टर्ब होणार. काय होणार, डिस्टर्ब. अँड द पॉप्युलेशन इन्व्हर्जन दॅट इज कंटिन्युअसली पंपिंग, दॅट मीन्स पॉप्युलेशन इन्व्हर्जन इन द कॅव्हिटी गोज ऑन इन्क्रीजिंग. वाय, बिकॉज आधी काय होत होतं की कंटिन्युअसली काय होत होतं, पंपिंग होत होतं, आणि शटर क्लोज केलं, बट द पॉप्युलेशन इन द कॅव्हिटी, द पॉप्युलेशन ऑफ दॅट कॅव्हिटी विल बी गोज ऑन इन्क्रीजिंग अँड रिचेस द पीक व्हॅल्यू. म्हणजे अजून ऑसिलेशन चालू झालं नाही, ऑसिलेशन चालू झालं नाही. बट काय होतं की शटर क्लोज आहे, आता पॉप्युलेशन विल बी इन्क्रीज इन दॅट कॅव्हिटी अँड दॅट रिचेस इज द पीक व्हॅल्यू. देन नाऊ शटर विल बी ओपन, देन पॉप्युलेशन आता कुठे आलं होतं, आधी पॉप्युलेशन इन्व्हर्जन पीक व्हॅल्यूला आलं होतं, म्हणजे बिलो द थ्रीशोल्ड आलं होतं. ओके, मग आता शटर जर क्लोज केलं, शटर जर ओपन केलं तर काय होणार आहे की पॉप्युलेशन विल बी मच अबाव. पॉप्युलेशन कुठे येणार आहे, अबाव द थ्रीशोल्ड. पॉप्युलेशन कुठे येणार, अबाव द थ्रीशोल्ड. अँड एनर्जी, दॅट एनर्जी स्टोर्ड energy stored in that cavity, this cavity, energy stored in the cavity will be released from the large pulse of light of very short duration, which is high peak value of intensity. Okay, then that opening the shutter, that shutter will be opening, that opening the shutter result in the high increase of Q value. That's quality factor will be increased. Quality factor will be increased, and this technique, that technique producing a pulse of light, technique of producing a pulse of light is known as Q switching. That means this Q is the quality factor. That means that value of Q is high low. This Q value is the high and low, and this is the Q switching, that producing a pulse of light, and this is known as a Q switching. Okay, in that diagram we have discussed that consider a laser cavity, and in which laser cavity the shutter will be inserted in front of the mirror. In that active medium, these atoms with continuously pumping, that means pumping process will be continuously, but shutter will be closed. Then population in that previous pumping, that means the population increases. कुठेपर्यंत आलं? Population increases in the peak value. ते above the threshold गेलेलं नाही, because shutter will be काय झालं आता? Shutter will be closed. Then after some time shutter will be closed. Then that population inversion above the, कुठे जाणार ते? Above the threshold. कुठे गेलं? Population inversion much above the threshold. कुठे गेलं? Above the threshold. Then that energy stored in that cavity, will be released. Energy stored will be released in the form of, which is in the form of large pulse, of the light, of very short duration. Okay, and the opening of that shutter ज्यावेळेस open करतो, that opening of the shutter results sudden the high increase in Q value, high, or simply it is termed as a high increase in Q value, and this technique producing a pulse of light is known as a Q switching. In that next we have discussed but that shutter is open at a time much smaller. Shutter will be open and that time is smaller than the time building the laser oscillation. आता बघा, अबाव द थ्रेशोल्ड यायला, पॉप्युलेशन ज्यावेळेस अबाव द थ्रेशोल्ड यायला जो टाइम लागणार, जो टाइम विल बी कसा आहे तो जास्त आहे, बट शटर ओपन इन दॅट टाइम इज, जो शटर ओपन होण्याचा जो टाइम आहे तो कसा आहे, स्मॉलर आहे. कशापेक्षा? ज्यावेळेस आपला जो आहे आधी पीक व्हॅल्यू पर्यंत आलं, शटर ओपन केला, अबाव द थ्रेशोल्ड गेला, तो टाइम कसा आहे, जास्त आहे. दॅट आउटपुट, अँड दॅट आउटपुट विल बी कन्सिस्ट ऑफ जायंट प्लस. दिस आउटपुट will be giant plus of light. Okay, clear? That if the shutter is open in a time much smaller than the time in a time of building the laser oscillation, the output will be consist of a giant plus. That means above the threshold येण्याचा जो टाइम आहे तो कसा आहे, ग्रेटर आहे. कशापेक्षा? शटर ओपन होण्याचा टाइम कसा आहे, स्मॉलर आहे. अँड दॅट जेव्हा ते आउटपुट भेटतं, दॅट आउटपुट कन्सिस्ट of a giant plus of light. That output consists of a giant plus of light. In that next we have discussed the method of Q switching. Method of Q switching. Method of Q switching. Then we have discussed the four method of Q switching. That Q switch can be take several forms. First बघणार आपण rotating mirrors. Second, इलेक्ट्रो-ऑप्टिक मॉड्युलेटर और इलेक्ट्रो-ऑप्टिक शटर. थर्ड बघणार आहे अकोस्टो-ऑप्टिक मॉड्युलेटर और अकोस्टो-ऑप्टिक शटर्स. एंड लास्टली सैचुरेबल एब्जॉर्बर आर that sum the important devices used for the Q switching. We have discussed the method of Q switching and we have discussed the four method. Then one by one. First is a rotating mirror. Okay, we draw the diagram. mirror in between the laser medium so a mirror. This mirror will be rotating mirror. Okay, method of Q switching in that first is a method is a rotating mirror. First method is a rotating mirror. The rotating mirror or rotating reflector, mirror is also known as a reflect. Why? Because light incident on a mirror, it will be reflected. That rotating reflector or rotating mirror method was the first method used for a Q switching. That is the first method. These are the first method used for a Q switching. First method used for a Q switching of laser. It involved the rapid rotation of one mirror. That mirror, that is the rapid rotation. That one mirror is a rotating mirror, and that is the rapid rotation of that one mirror. Okay, this rotating mirror would serves have a rear mirror and can output mirror. आता ही काय झाली rotating mirror झाली, ते rapid rotating, and that output mirror would be the other end, and that mirror will be output mirror, and this is the other end of the laser cavity, other end of the laser cavity. Okay, आता then next mirror comes into parallel position. These mirror are comes into parallel position for a short time of interval. Why? These two mirror, clear, that two mirror comes into parallel position in very short time. Why? This two mirror is come parallel, that two mirror come parallel to the very short. आता ह्याच्या दोन मिरर आहे ह्या थोड्या कमी वेळा करता पॅरलल असणार आहे. वाय? बिकॉज दॅट वन मिरर इज अ रोटेटिंग, दॅट वन मिरर दिस इज द रॅपिडली रोटेटिंग, दिस इज कंटिन्युअसली रोटेटिंग. मग थोड्या टाइमा करता ऑफ व्हेरी शॉर्ट टाइम these two mirror are parallel. These two mirror are parallel at each rotation. The mirror come into parallel position for short interval in each rotation. थोड्या वेळा करता ते कशा असता पॅरलल असता. देन when mirror is not parallel, आता ज्यावेळेस मिरर नॉट पॅरलल, ज्यावेळेस मिरर पॅरलल नसणार आहे, द मिरर आर नॉट पॅरलल, द कॅव्हिटी लॉस, जो लॉस ऑफ कॅव्हिटी, loss of cavity is very high. Okay, this one mirror is a rotating mirror. That means mirror ज्या आहे पॅरलल कशा असणार आहे, पॅरलल व्हेरी शॉर्ट टाइम करत असणार आहे, कारण की त्या काय करणार आहे रोटेट होत राहता. मग जर मिरर जर पॅरलल नसेल, द मिरर आर नॉट पॅरलल, द कॅव्हिटी लॉस और लॉस ऑफ कॅव्हिटी इज व्हेरी हाय. अँड जर कॅव्हिटी लॉस जर हाय असेल तर quality factor Q is very low. Okay, this is inversely proportional relation, that when mirror is not parallel, the loss of cavity is very high, then the Q is very low. Okay, quality factor, the value of Q is very low, and when mirror become parallel, then mirror become parallel the laser oscillation. जर मिरर पॅरलल असेल, नॉट पॅरलल असेल तर कॅव्हिटी लॉस जास्त आहे आणि क्यू व्हॅल्यू काय व्हेरी लो आहे. बट जर मिरर जर पॅरलल असेल, दॅट टू मिरर विल बी पॅरलल, देन लेझर ऑसिलेशन इज बिल्ड अप अँड द क्यू स्विचिंग ऑकर्स. त्यावेळेस क्यू स्विचिंग, दॅट मीन्स द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ क्यू इज हाय, द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ क्वालिटी फॅक्टर इज हाय, अँड इट कॉजेस द इमिशन ऑफ जायंट लेझर बीम, दॅट इमिशन ऑफ जायंट लेझर बीम. Okay, this is the higher output, giant laser beam, giant pulse, that means that is the higher output. Okay, these are the rotating mirror. Only two condition are not parallel, but parallel kasha astat त्या very short period करता. Why? Because one mirror is a rotating mirror, that one mirror is a rotating mirror. Then next are electro-optic shutter or electro-optic modulator. We have discussed the methods of Q switching, and then We have discussed the four method of switching. That is, the first is a rotating mirror and second is a electro-optic shutter. Electro-optic shutter. We draw the simple diagram. That is these one are the mirror. This is the laser medium. So vertical polarizer. This is the electro-optic cavity or cell. Or this is cavity, electro-optic cell or electro-optic cavity. This is the another mirror. Okay, these are the electro-optic shutter. Then what is the working of that electro-optic shutter? Okay, that the electro-optic shutter can serve an voltage controlled gate. That electro-optic shutter is a voltage controlled gate which rapidly switches the cavity from high loss to low loss. This electro-optic shutter is electro-optic shutter can serve as an voltage controlled gate, and which is rapidly switches means high low. That quality two switches is quality factor value high or low, then is rapidly switches the cavity from high loss. That cavity losses from high to, that means high loss to low loss. Okay, that electro-optic shutter or modulator can serve as a voltage controlled gate, and that voltage controlled gate which rapidly switches means high or low, switches the cavity from high loss to low loss, low loss condition. High loss to low loss condition. Then it consists of that electro-optic shutter is consist of a crystal that becomes double refracting. That electro-optic crystal, this is the electro-optic crystal, and that becomes the double refracting. This when that electro-optic cell that consists of that, this is a double refracting, then electric field is applied across that crystal. Then electro-optic shutter along with polarizer. Along with that electric field applied to that electro-optic cell or electro-optic crystal, the electro-optic crystal. Okay, this is simply that electro-optic cell or electro-optic crystal. Then electric field is applied across that electro-optic crystal, the electro-optic shutter along with a polarizer is arranged. And that vertical polarizer will be arranged inside the optical resonator, or that this optical resonator. Then laser medium and mirror, these are the optical resonator we have discussed in previous video. But in that optical resonator we have arranged the vertical polarizer and electro-optical cell, and that we have applied to the electric field of that electro-optic cell. And that electro-optic cell or electro-optic crystal, are consist of that double refracting. There are the double refracting. Then we will start the working of that electro-optic shutter. Electro-optic shutter. A voltage is applied to that crystal. Voltage is applied to that crystal during the pumping. That means this is the laser medium and this is the active medium, and the atoms are continuously pumped. The atoms are continuously pumped. Okay. When applied to the voltage to the that that crystal, that electro-optic crystal, okay, but that in that laser medium, this is the in the active medium, and in that active medium the atoms are continuously pumped. Then we have arranged the vertical polarizer. Okay, this, and आता इथून काय होणार आहे की लाईट काय होणार आहे, बाहेर येणार आहे, लाईट बाहेर येणार आहे, आणि ती कुठून पास होणार आहे, व्हर्टिकल पोलरायझरमधनं. आता ज्यावेळेस व्हर्टिकल पोलरायझरमधून पास होणार आहे, दॅट लाईट विल बी लिनियरली पोलराइज. व्हर्टिकल पोलराइज कशा, लाईट पोलराइज कर. दॅट व्हर्टिकल पोलराइज इज अरेंज इन बिटवीन दॅट लेझर मीडियम अँड इलेक्ट्रो-ऑप्टिक सेल और इलेक्ट्रो-ऑप्टिक क्रिस्टल. देन याच्यामधून जी लाईट पास, ज्याच्यामधून लाईट निघते ती कुठून पास होणार आहे, व्हर्टिकल पोलरायझरमधून. आणि व्हर्टिकल पोलरायझरमधून लाईट पास होते. दॅट मीन्स दॅट लाईट बिकम्स लिनियरली पोलराइज लाईट ऑन पासिंग थ्रू दॅट पोलराइज. दॅट लाईट बिकम्स लिनियरली पोलराइज लाईट ऑन पासिंग थ्रू द पोलरायझर. ओके, देन दॅट linearly polarized light, that incident on a which electro-optic crystal, that linearly polarized light incident on a electro-optic crystal, and that light splits into two direction. One is the EY and one is the EX. Okay, that incident, that light comes into that laser medium, that passing through the vertical polarizer, and that light becomes a linearly polarized light, and that light incident on an electro-optic crystal, or simply is a crystal that split into two mutually orthogonal component, and say that is EX and EY. At two components travel to the electro-optic crystal. A relative phase retardation of is 90 degree. Is produced between them. Then this, on emerging from that electro-optic crystal, the two components combine to produce circularly polarized light. आणि ज्या वेळेस ते इथून पास होत आहे, इथून इन्सिडेंट झाले आणि इथून मग काय भेटणार आहे, दॅट लाईट स्प्लिट्स इनटू टू कंपोनंट, अँड दॅट इज रिटार्डेशन ऑफ, that is the phase, that relative phase retardation of is 90 degree, and that emerging from that crystal, then two component combine to produce circularly polarized light. कसा होता, linearly polarized होता. linearly polarized light. ओके, इथून आला ना, व्हर्टिकल पोलरायझर मधून आला, तो कसा होता, लिनियरली पोलराइज, आणि तो इन्सिडेंट कशावरती झाला, क्रिस्टलवरती. बट क्रिस्टलवरती ज्यावेळेस तो इमर्ज आउट होतो, तो काय होतो, दॅट इज द circularly polarized light. आता इथे कसा असणार, तो सर्क्युलरली पोलराइज लाईट असणार, ओके. काय होतंय बघा, लेझर इथून काय होतंय की लाईट बाहेर होते, लेझर मीडियम पंपिंग होता, आयटम कंटिन्युअसली लाईट काय होते, बाहेर येणार. ती कुठं इन्सिडेंट होते, व्हर्टिकली पोलराइजवरती. बट आता लाईट व्हर्टिकल पोलराइजमधून ज्यावेळेस पास होते, त्यावेळेस इथे आपल्याला लाईट कोणती भेटते, लिनियरली पोलराइज लाईट. अँड दॅट लिनियरली पोलराइज इन्सिडेंट ऑन दॅट इलेक्ट्रो-ऑप्टिक क्रिस्टल, अँड इट विल बी द डिवाइड्स दॅट स्प्लिट्स इनटू टू कॉम्पोनंट, दॅट इज द टू ऑर्थोगोनल कॉम्पोनंट, अँड दॅट टू कॉम्पोनंट travel in that electro-optic crystal with relative phase retardation is 90 degree. That means that angle of two. Simply that diagram is simply that EX and EY, that two components, that phase retardation is 90 degree is produced between them, and that emerging from that electro-optic crystal, then that two component होते, that will आधी काय होते, ते लिनियरली पोलराइज लाईट होते. बट इथून इमर्ज आउट होताना, इथून बाहेर येताना ते काय असणार आहे, दॅट इज द सर्क्युलरली पोलराइज लाईट. द सर्क्युलर पोलराइज लाईट. ओके, आणि ते लाईट काय होणार, पण इथे मिरर आहे, मग इथं मिररवरती इन्सिडंट होऊन ते पडत कुठे येणार, रिफ्लेक्ट फ्रॉम द मिरर. काय आहे ना, ते काय होणार, रिफ्लेक्ट फ्रॉम द मिरर अँड रिटर्न्स द कॅव्हिटी. परत कुठे येणार, ते इथे कॅव्हिटीमध्ये रिटर्न्स द कॅव्हिटी ट्रॅव्हलिंग इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. परत ते कुठे येणार, कॅव्हिटीच्या अपोजिट डायरेक्शनला. इथून रिफ्लेक्ट होऊन ते परत कुठे येणार, इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक सेलमध्ये. परत त्यांचा फेज रिटार्डेशन किती येणार, 90 डिग्री. आणि इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक सेलमधून बाहेर जाताना इथे जे सर्क्युलरली पोलराइज होते, परत इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक सेलमध्ये इन्सिडंट होणार. दॅट फेज रिटार्डेशन, रिलेटिव्ह फेज रिटार्डेशन इज 90 डिग्री अँड दॅट सर्क्युलरली पोलराइज लाईट विल बी, दॅट सर्क्युलरली पोलराइज कंपोनंट विल बी अगेन लिनियरली पोलराइज. इथून परत इमर्ज आउट होताना इथून रिफ्लेक्ट झाले, परत कुठे एंटर झाले, इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक क्रिस्टलमध्ये. दॅट विल बी द ऑफ अँड दॅट टू कंपोनंट. His phase retardation is 90 degree and that emerge out of electro-optic crystal, then this circularly polarized light will again linearly polarized light. This circular polarized reverse, and on repassing through that electro-optic crystal, the two component circular light polarized experience a further retardation. परत ते काय experience करणार, that further retardation of 90 degree with respect to each other, and that coming out of that crystal, इथून जी light emerge होते, or coming out of crystal at the other end, the component recombine and produce. परत ते काय होतात, recombine and produce linearly polarized light, and produce linearly polarized light. And the direction of that polarization of light is now 90 degree with respect to each other. That means then light, therefore that is a freely, that light is freely travel in both direction and returns. That light freely travel in both direction and return into the laser cavity or laser rod to further amplify. Now cavity is switch on Q against the high value, and कॅव्हिटी परत रिटर्न कुठे येतात, लेझर मीडियम और ॲक्टिव्ह मीडियममध्ये येतात. अँड दॅट क्वालिटी फॅक्टर क्यू रिगेन्स द हाय व्हॅल्यू. दॅट मीन्स द क्वालिटी फॅक्टर क्यू व्हॅल्यू काय होते, हाय होते. दॅट इज द सिम्पली वर्किंग ऑफ ऑप्टिक शटर. सिम्पली इन शॉर्ट, दॅट ऑप्टिक इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक शटर, दॅट वर्किंग, द लाईट कमिंग from that laser or that active medium is incident on that vertical polarizer, and that काम काय vertical polarizer, that light passing through that vertical polarizer, that light is a linearly polarized, that light is linearly polarized light, and that linearly polarized light incident on that electro-optic cell or electro-optic crystal, and that electro-optic crystal consists of a double refracting, that incident on that electro-optic cell, that will be the phase retardation in between that, okay, that vertically polarized light, linearly polarized light incident on that electro-optic cell. That linearly polarized light that splits into two components, simply Ex and Ey, and that in that two component, that is the phase retardation of is 90 degree. Then this light emerge out of that electro-optic crystal, then that linearly polarized light is converted into circularly polarized light, and that circularly polarized light incident on that mirror and reflect back, and again coming from that electro-optic cell, and again experience the phase retardation of that two component is 90 degree, and that emerge out of that electro-optic cell. इथून बाहेर पडताना circular polarized light will be again linearly polarized light. That means the freely travel in both direction and returns back to that laser cavity to be further amplified, and the cavity switch on, and the higher the value of Q. There is simply working of that electro-optic shutter. Then another two methods of that switching, that is the acousto-optic modulator and saturator absorber. Acousto-optic modulator or shutter and saturable absorber in next video.